This is our fall winter color contour kit. In this kit, I curated some of my favorite colors in our multi-bene collection that felt a little bit more fall, a little bit more earthy, a little bit more moody. This is such a gorgeous gift to give somebody. It's ready to go. It's gonna come in our Tyvek bag, reusable, washable, super minimal and chic. First up, the kit comes with our duo brush, which is an incredible tool whether you are a novice at makeup or a very experienced makeup artist. It has two ends. One is an incredible sort of flatter, stiffer lip end, which you could use on your lip for precision, but you can also use it on the eyes as well. It also covers itself, which is amazing, great for your bag. And then the other end is more of our buffing out sort of blending end. That in there. Next up is Fluxus, my everyday go-to color. I use this on my cheeks, I use it as a contour, I use it on the lips, eyes. It's an amazing sort of chocolatey brown color that goes on incredibly sheer to incredibly opaque. You can build it up as you need, draw it on where you want, and blend it out. A Hydra highlighter. This is an amazing kind of balmy, non-glittery, dewy, natural sort of highlight that you can apply wherever you want some glow. I love to use it along the cheekbone area, along the cupid's bow, the nose, the eyes, literally anywhere you want a healthy, beautiful, dewy shine. Next up is 5. I actually have a little bit of 5 on my lips right now. It's a really beautiful sort of purpley mauve color that sort of mimics your natural lip tone, but when applied a little bit more liberally, it gives you gorgeous lipstick shade. It's amazing on the cheeks. I love it for the fall. I love it all year round, but especially during this time of year. And then last up, we've got Janae. This is a gorgeous sort of black cherry, berry, 90s grunge kind of color. I love this as a statement lip, especially if I'm going to a party or an event. Just this on the lips and everything else really natural. It's such a gorgeous look. And that is our fall winter color and contour kit. Everything you need for your cheeks, for your highlight, for your contour, for your lips, even for your eyes. So an easy way to gift this kit by packaging it up is just adding a beautiful ribbon to it. How cute is this gift? We've got a brush, we've got 4 colors, a beautiful bag, ready to hand off. Happy holidays.